Something is happening right now, not next year, not in 5 years, right now. The way money works is being rewritten. The way wealth is built is shifting. And most people will find out too late. Artificial intelligence is replacing entire industries overnight. New financial systems are emerging that don't need banks, borders, or permission. And Bitcoin crossed boundaries nobody thought possible. This isn't speculation, this is already happening. The question isn't whether the world is changing. The question is, where will you be when it does? Shift Ahead exists for one reason: to break down the complex, make it simple, and give you what you need to act before everyone else catches on. Every week, crypto market moves explained. Every week, AI breakthroughs that actually matter for your money. Every week, the strategies that serious investors are quietly using right now. No noise, no hype, just clarity. The world is shifting. Some people will watch it happen, others will be ready for it. Subscribe to Shift Ahead and make sure you're one of the ones who saw it coming.